Alright, so as I told you guys before, I'm going to show you guys how to create a pivot table. As you can see, I have pulled up the WA sales products of 2012 to 2014. As you can tell, it's a lot of info. So what I'm going to do is we're going to create a pivot table basically to display the data that's important to us without having to go through this whole thing. So what we're going to do, it's pretty simple. All we're going to do is click this arrow to highlight all the data. Then we're going to go to Insert, Pivot Table. As you see, it says the table range is the WA sales product. That's the sheet that is correct because that's where all of our info is. We have it set to New Worksheet so we can display the new info. We're going to click OK. And now that we have that, we are now going to look at how to display that info. So, like we said, we want to see the retailer countries. So what we're going to do is let's click that. We can add it to our column labels. Then we're going to go to the order method type. Basically, how did the people order it? We're going to go right here. We're going to add that to rows. And then we're going to go to revenue. And we're going to click that. We're going to add that to the values. And as you can see, it's all displayed. But we're going to change this to be the average, which is basically the average amount that each country has earned from their revenue. So we're going to click average. Then we're going to go to number. We're going to click currency so it displays it in a monetary format. We're going to click OK. And now you can see that it displays exactly how much money they made from each category of the emails, the fax, the mail, the sales visit, their specials, any telephones, any web, and then blank, which is other. So we can see that. Now let's say that you don't want to see every single country. You only want to see a certain number of countries. So all you got to do is go to column labels. We'll click that. We'll hit that select all, so it'll unselect it. Let's say you want to see the United Kingdom and the United States. We're going to click those two. And click this red X right here, and now it displays the two exact countries that you want to look at. We have the United Kingdom with the grand total of $42,968.07, and the United States with $86,983.56. Now that we have this data displayed in the table, let's say you want to show somebody how to put it in a graph or to make it easier to compare the two countries. We'll just go right here. We'll click this drop down, and we're going to pull up the column bar, the clustered bar chart. So we're going to go right here. It says clustered bar. We click that, and the exact same info that we have displayed in the pivot table is displayed right on this clustered bar chart. As you can see, it makes it a lot easier to see that the United States has sold more from almost every single category except email, where the United Kingdom has the value of $26,792.22, and the United States only has $16,590.69. That is basically how you create a pivot table to display your data. You'll go to your column labels to click any countries you want to compare, and then you go straight to that insert to the clustered bar chart to compare all the data that you want to present. And that is exactly how you create a pivot table. So whenever your boss asks you, hey, can you do something for me? And can you compare these two things? You can compare your performance to anybody else so you can get that raise.